Hello everyone, thanks for watching. What I'm going to do is replace a part. I'm missing a part that came off there. And what I'm going to do is take part number 3768. It comes with two sets of pieces, and I'm going to use one of them. End up having to use this part. And we'll see. I'm going to take the shock off and get the part back on here. It doesn't look like it's going to be too bad. It popped off, so it can't be too bad to put any of it back on. We'll see. So I'll get it off in just a moment, and we'll get this replaced. There we go. And that's basically it. Take it off, and it's not too bad. It's going to go back on like this part is here. If we look at it, it just looks like it's that piece there, even though we've got three different pieces in here. I'll show you all three. Also, I'll put an Amazon affiliate link in the description below to this in case you want to take a look at them. So these, it comes with that, and the piece that we're going to put on. It comes with a set of those, so two. If we check this, so that's not too bad. Pull it back off. Before I put the spring back on, it's notched, as you can kind of see, and that fits down in that notch, and that slides over that. That's what holds it on. So if it ever comes back up like that, it could just simply slip off. And I've bashed this around quite a bit, so it's not surprising that it popped off. Anyway, put your spring back on. Put this on. Slide it over. Now we have our spring held up. Have some action to it. And all that's left is to get the screws back in. Hopefully you can see that a little bit, hopefully. Get this one all the way back on. Just be careful not to strip out the bottom one. It goes into plastic, the top one. At least part of it goes into metal. I'm not sure if all of it's plastic or not, or if that's just a short insert that's behind this screw. And that's it. And still have those two parts in addition to another set still in the bag. Actually, there's two of these for each one. So the part we just put back on there, that and those two. So hopefully it's showing up there for you. But they're all plastic pieces, but it does come with a set, so you do have two additional ones in here if you have to use one of the set there. Let's double check. It's good. Alright, and that's it. I'm going to get the tires changed out, get these put on there, and take it out, run it off the ramps that I've got. I'll put a link to a video in the upper right hand corner for you to a land wave ramp video I did. In that video I had the X-Max out, but I only had 3S batteries because I mistakenly picked the 3S up instead of the 4 to take out with me, so it wasn't running very fast. But anyway, I'm going to get these on here, and we'll be taking this slash off of those land wave ramps and see how far we can jump it.